What's up, guys? It's your boy Ryan back with another video. I know it's been a while, but here we are. And here's Grant. How do I switch it? I don't know. Here's Grant, and he's gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Okay. So first, you want to get the white cross. Boom! And then you want to get the white layer.
Nice.
And then, yeah, then
Then what do you do?
oh, just keep making the white layer. Okay, done. And then you want to get all the edges in the right spots. Okay, boom, then I got both layers done. And then you want to make the yellow cross. Then you want to align all these edges. Boom, and then you do the Sue algorithm. Then you want to solve all the corners. And then it's solved.
Wow. Let's show the camera. That's how you do it, guys.
And then there's checkerboard pattern.
Wow.
And then there is dot in the middle pattern.
Whoa, that's awesome.
And then, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, guys, that's how you do it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, homies.